This is Rick Ackerman, editor and publisher of Rick's Picks, and we're here today for a Thursday presentation. I do these Facebook presentations live on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Today we're going to look at the industrial average. Those of you who have followed my forecast know that for some time I've had a minimum target of 29,299, and let me show you in a trading tout that I put out down here for the industrial average. These are technical forecasts, and I had a graph that said there's no point in wondering any longer whether the 29,299 target would be reached. So today the Dow did just that. It topped less than a point above that, and typically we take a short position just as a trade. I'm not looking to nail the mother of all tops because that has been a futile enterprise over the last 10 and a half years of the bull market. But to project a higher target, I simply took a lower starting point for this bull trend back in early December. And you can see that from this point, we could easily have another run up of a little more than 200 points to 29,509. And if that target were to be damaged, penetrated decisively, I would probably change the corrective BC of this ABCD pattern to give us 29,725. And of course, when we're up at that level, we're probably going to see the magnetic effect take over. In other words, Dow 30,000 will become so compelling as to draw stocks magnetically higher. This is probably the maximum pattern, rally pattern that I can draw, and it puts us just within a hair of that 30,000 threshold. So it may actually be a foregone conclusion already, 29,297, but you never know. You have to be prepared, because if expectations are running overwhelmingly strongly that we'll see 30,000, that could be a problem. It could certainly cause the Dow to stagger on its final run up to that target. So there are a couple of caveats. I've got targets in Apple, one of which was reached the other day, and of course Apple was a very important stock market bellwether. So if it has made its top, then so has the stock market. But I'll just keep my eye on Apple for signs that it's going to go above this rather important target. So that's about it for today. And if you'd like to get more closely in tune with Rick's Picks and even come into the trading room and a more informal discussion in what I call the coffee house, then be sure to visit rickackerman.com and just click on the free trial up top. There's no credit card necessary. You'll be instantly transported into the world of Rick's Picks. We have a great trading room that draws traders from around the world, and they're a very helpful bunch. They share trading ideas in real time. So be sure to say hello if you get there. Again, that's rickackerman.com. And until Tuesday, wish you a relaxing weekend. Monday, of course, the markets are closed for Martin Luther King Day, but we'll be up and at 'em on Tuesday when everything starts to trade again. So you all have a pleasant good evening, and I'll talk to you anon and apace.